Hi friends, it's Morah Sapir. One of our favorite things that we like to do in nursery is to play with our egg shakers and our bean bags. But Morah has a problem. I don't have a bean bag or an egg shaker in my house. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make one. And you can make one in your house too. All you need is 2 cups or a small container or a paper plate. This is for the egg shaker. You can choose whatever you want. We also need something inside that will make a lot of noise. I chose beans or rice. For the cups, all you have to do is fill it up with some beans, close it with the other cup, and tape it shut so it doesn't spill out. And now you have your very own egg shaker. You could also decorate the outside with stickers or markers or tissue paper, anything that you want to make it colorful. You could also use a paper plate. All you have to do is fill it up with beans and fold it in half and staple it shut. Then you could shake it around also. You could decorate the outside however you want. I'm going to leave that up to you. Lastly, you can use a small container. This is just like when we did the projects for Purim. We used containers and made them into Rashanim. I'm going to use this small container and put some beans inside and some rice inside also. Why not? I'm going to close it up and shake it. Now I have all different types of shakers. I wonder which one is louder. Can you try it with me and see? What about this one? Which one do you think was louder? I think this one is much louder. Now you can turn on our egg shaker song and use your egg shaker to follow along.